Hey everyone, Joe Luca here, your trusted Rhode Island realtor and host of the Joe Luca Real Estate Show. Today we are breaking down a topic that can save homeowners thousands of dollars and a whole lot of stress: home warranties. If you're a homeowner, first time buyer, or you're thinking about selling your home soon, this is information you don't want to miss. So, what is a home warranty? Well, it's essentially a service contract that covers the repair or replacement of major systems and appliances in your home. Things like your heating system, electrical, plumbing, water heater, kitchen appliances, and more. This is not homeowners insurance. Insurance covers unexpected disasters. A home warranty covers everyday breakdowns that happen simply because things get old and wear out. Benefit number one is you have predictable costs. Instead of paying thousands of dollars when your furnace dies or your dishwasher stops working, you pay a small service fee and the warranty company typically handles the rest. For many homeowners, especially first-time buyers, this creates peace of mind and protects your budget from surprise expenses. Benefit two is when something breaks, you don't have to scramble to find a contractor or wonder who's trustworthy, because a lot of home warranty companies already have licensed, vetted professionals ready to go. This is especially helpful if you're new to the area or don't have a list of go-to repair people. Benefit number three, as a realtor, I frequently see this: offering a home warranty, which makes your property more attractive to buyers when selling your home. It signals confidence in your home's condition, reduces buyer hesitation, and can even help your home sell faster. In some cases, it can increase the final sales price because buyers feel protected if there were any little surprises discovered during the home inspection. Benefit number four, this is protection for older systems and appliances. If your home has an older heating system, like an aging boiler or HVAC system, a home warranty can be a smart layer of protection. It doesn't matter if the item is old. What matters is that it was working at the time the warranty started. That's a huge advantage for homeowners with aging equipment. At the end of the day, a home warranty gives you something every homeowner deserves: peace of mind. Because you know that if something breaks, you're not alone. You're not unprotected, and you're not facing, in all likelihood, a massive bill. So if you're buying a home, selling a home, or even if you already own a home like me, a home warranty is absolutely worth considering. It's one more way to protect your investment and reduce stress. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who may benefit. And if you ever have any questions about home warranties, home buying, or selling here in Rhode Island or Massachusetts, I'm always here to help you create the best possible outcome. Thanks, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.